How to get unbanned from Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So getting unbanned from Roblox depends on the type of ban and the reason behind it. So here is a clear guide on what you can do. First of all, you need to understand your ban type. If your account is banned, your entire Roblox account is disabled. And if you're game banned, you'll be banned from a specific game but your account works elsewhere. There can also be chat or voice ban. That means there are restrictions on communication features, so you need to check your email. Roblox usually sends an email explaining the ban reason, so review it carefully to understand the rule you might have broken. And you can also try appealing the ban. For that, you need to go to roblox.com and instead of home, simply type in support. Hit enter, and this will take you to the Contact Us page where you need to enter your username, your first name, your email address, and then confirm the same email address which is associated with your account. Select the device that you're having problem on, then also choose the type of help category and describe your issue in this box. Type in the ban that you've received, type a clear, polite explanation and request for unban. Be patient and polite. The Roblox support can take few days to respond, so avoid creating multiple appeals for the same ban. It won't speed up the process. And in order to avoid the future bans, read Roblox community standards carefully and follow the rules to keep your account safe. So some bans are permanent with no appeals, so trying to evade a ban by making new accounts can lead to further penalties. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.